Hello, welcome back to my part 2 of making the album from the unused pages. Remember for the previous part 1 video, we cutting the paper from the double side to the single holding picture. Now what you're going to do is you need a pencil, hole punch, a ruler, or even a trimmer. They have a ruler here, or a single ruler. You're going to make 2 hole punch page like this. The previous one we cut down to 6 inches long page, so you're going to do a mark at 2 inches and 4. You play your ruler like this, right in the center of this particular pieces, right in the center, like that. And you're going to use a pencil to mark it at 2 inches from the right, from this side in 2 inches, and from this side you mark it in 2 inches. So you got 2 dots, 2 inches from the outside in, from the left, and 2 inches from the right. Make 2 marks. And then you're going to stack 2 pages at the same time. Line them up nicely. And you're going to use a hole punch. You put in the center of that little dot. Punch them 2 at the same time. So you're going to have like this. So the hole punch will cut through 4 layers, several layers. So they cut through the plastic cover, they cut through the paper, and they cut through another plastic as well. So sometimes you will see the circle plastic still dangling around. So you will just pull them out slightly, and you're going to end up to have 2 hole punch. So you continue doing this with your pages. So I already start punching couple pages. So you're going to count 25 or 30. It's up to you. I like to make it 50 pages, 50 picture holding. So I'm going to make it 25. So you do count 25 and then you sign them, make a mark 2 inches, make a dot 2 inches from here, make a dot, and then punch it. So alright, I'll let you continue doing this, and then see you in a part 3, how to make a cover.